Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to factory reset Google Home Mini. Let's go. Turn on microphone. Hold down here and hold until the device restarts. The device has been reset to factory settings. After restarting, open the Google Home app. Turn on microphone. Add device. Next. Choose language. Complete the setup for yourself. That's it. Now you know how to factory reset Google Home Mini. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.